Hello everyone, you are welcome. So my name is Daniel, but in today's video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the new Nigeria digital currency known as eNaira. I will walk you through virtually everything you need to know. So this course, in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about eNaira, and our content is going to be very rich. So let's consider the content. What are the content of this video? One, I'm going to tell you what eNaira is all about. What is eNaira? What it's all about? And I'm also going to show you what is the value of eNaira. I'll tell you the value of eNaira. Is it more than the normal currency or above the normal currency? You learn everything in this video. Similarly, how does eNaira works? How does it work? I'm going to tell you in full details how it works, and I'm also going to tell you about the eNaira wallet, more or less like every other wallet. So I'm going to tell you more about it in this course, in this video, of course. And who is eNaira merchant? Who can become eNaira merchant? Who is eNaira merchant? And how can you become one of such? If you want to become an eNaira merchant today, how can you become one of it? I'm going to tell you in this video. So just ensure that you watch this video to the end. Similarly, I will tell you, is there any difference between Naira and eNaira? In this course, in this video, you're going to learn it in full details. Right. Similarly, I'm also going to tell you what are the benefits of eNaira over the normal Naira or over any other cryptocurrency. I want to tell you in full detail. So let's get right into the video. Now let's talk about the first one. What is eNaira? What does eNaira entails? What is the meaning of eNaira? So let's see. eNaira is the abbreviation for electronic naira, which will be Nigeria digital currency for secured online transaction. So as we have so many digital currency all over the world, like your bitcoins and the rest, now the Nigerian type of currency is known as eNaira, which stands for electronic naira. Okay, so let's talk about the storage. How will this eNaira be stored? So eNaira is held in a digital storage and managed on a distributed ledger. So if eNaira is going to be stored in a digital storage, just like a digital wallet, an electronic wallet, and it's going to be managed through a distributed ledger. So let's talk about the safety. How safe is eNaira? How safe is it? So what about the noise we keep hearing here and there? So how safe is this eNaira? Does it worth it at all? So now with eNaira, fraudulent actions is traceable since it's an electronic money. So any money that goes in and out, it can be easily traced. So fraudulent action will be reduced to the minimum. Similarly, it can be used for both worldwide and native commerce. So you can use to trade across the border. For example, you can be in Nigeria and trade anywhere in Africa or the world, and it can also use to trade within Nigeria. Okay, so the third one I'm going to talk about is that funds can be made by scanning QR code. Just scan the QR code and instantly fund will be made. It makes things more easier. All right, so let's talk about what is eNaira value. What is the value of eNaira? Is it more than the normal currency? Is it up to $1 or is it more than $1? So let's talk about that and let's see. Let me just tell you this plainly. The value of the eNaira is pegged to Nigerian naira value. This means that 1 eNaira is equal to 1 naira. So when you have 1,000 eNaira, it means you have just 1,000 naira. It's just simple like that. It's not more than that. And one thing about eNaira is that it can never increase. So when I mean can never increase, that it's not like probably it will grow today and tomorrow it will go down. It just be the same currency with naira. So let's go to the next thing. What does eNaira? How does eNaira work? How does it work? So let's talk about how it works now. eNaira, we have a wallet just like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. And I've said earlier in this video, eNaira is going to involve you having a wallet, a digital wallet, e-wallet, just like every digital currency in the world, like other cryptocurrency like Bitcoins and the rest. So let me tell you, this is very important. I've said this earlier in the previous statement that eNaira will not grow like Bitcoins and other digital currency. The value will be equivalent to the value of Naira. So if Naira goes up, your eNaira also go up. And what I'm saying in essence is that it's not like Bitcoin that can go up today, like it's going to increase today and tomorrow to go down. It's going to be static. So it's going to be equivalent to the amount of Naira. That is very important. It's very important to note that about this eNaira. Okay, let's talk about eNaira wallets. Now, eNaira wallet does not contend with the existing banks. It does not contend with the existing bank account. It has no conflict with any existing bank. Yeah, it will have the formation of wallet by banks and other trade plazas. So e-wallet will be managed by practically 3 persons: CBN, your bank, and the eNaira merchant. So now eNaira speed wallet. Sorry, pardon me about that. eNaira speed wallet can be used by any individual in Nigeria who does not have bank account. It does not have a bank account number. So clients will only have to provide their name, their date of birth, phone number, and passport, including their address. So it can be used by everybody. Now, a 5,000 naira is set up to be sent and received. On this level 1, when you don't have account number, so it's only a minimum of a limit, a daily limit of 50,000 naira that can be actually sent and received. Now the next level, which for this is known as level 2, is for those that have a current account. So with this current account on this level, you can send and receive a minimum of 200,000 naira in every single day. Now the third level, which I want to show you here, is known as the level 3. So this level 3, you can send up to 1 million daily. But what the shocking thing about this level 3 is that what is required is your PVN. Virtually everybody in Nigeria here should have BVN, especially if you own a bank account. So you have more opportunity to send and receive a minimum of 1 million naira daily. So let's go to the next context now. Who is eNaira merchant? Who is eNaira merchant? Now, eNaira merchant is the eNaira service provider, just like POS business. Just as you have POS business scattered all over the country, so eNaira merchant, just like the Momo merchant for MTN now, eNaira merchant is the one that is more or less be closer to the customer. You get that? You can just go to them and do any transaction that involve the Nigeria digital currency. So the merchant will provide basic transaction procedures with the digital currency, like send money or receive money, or to perform some other functions like pay utility bills and other little functions that literally POS business can do. But on this basis, it will not be on a Naira basis, like a Naira note basis. It will be on a digital Naira note basis. So it is simply a level of the existing POS business format available everywhere within the country. So let's go to the next one now. How to become eNaira merchant? If you intend becoming eNaira merchant, how can you become one? Becoming eNaira merchant is very simple. Just walk to the bank and talk with the customer care that you want to become a merchant. So they'll just walk you through everything you need to do. But let me just give you a brief thing that you will require. So what you require, that you will need your identity, probably your anything that you need to show that you're a Nigerian, your NIN or any other thing. Also need your email address. You will also need your business tackle. So how are you going to promote the business? That's what the business tackle is. Do you have an existing shop or this and that? You just tell them all about that, and then you provide your phone number. Similarly, your business registration certificate, just to show that you are a registered business. It's very easy to just get yourself registered with about 10,500. Now you get a registered business certificate. All right. So similarly, you need your PVN and your KYC, know your customer info. The meaning of KYC is know your customer info. Literally, that's all you need to become a merchant. Now, let's talk about the function of the eNaira merchant. What are the functions? One, they provide services for eNaira deposit and transfer, payment fee like subscription, utility bill, NEPA bill, and every other bill, as it's been done on a normal basis. So they also have the fees of salary. They also provide technology and insurance of mini transactions. Similarly, they are more or less like agent banking, just like normal banking, like Zenith banking agency and any other one outside there. And they also helps in the reimbursement of loans. So when they are fully registered, they can give out loan on behalf of banks and CBN, as the case may be. So let's talk about this part. How to get the eNaira. Now we're talking about eNaira. If you intend getting it, of course, if it's fully notched outside, every Nigeria is going to get access to it, and you see all Nigeria should have it. So how can you get this eNaira? How can you get access to eNaira? To be able to get your eNaira, you must have an e-wallet. I told you earlier, it's a digital currency. You do not hold it by hand. It will always be on the air. When I mean air, in the electronic space, so you need a e-wallet, an electronic wallet, to be able to access it. Now, to get your e-wallet app, you can get it if you're an Android user. Just go to your Google Play Store and just search e-wallet app or Velocity, and you just install it. If you're an iPhone user, you obtain the app from the App Store and fill the registration form. Then if you are a feature phone user, like those small phone, just press the USSD code, which will be made available and be announced for everybody to have access to it. So let's now talk about the benefits of eNaira. What are these benefits? Let us talk about a few one of it. It accelerates financial inclusion, so it makes financial actions to be more faster, and it also helps to bring about cheaper and faster remittance inflow. So those people who are in abroad, they want to probably remit some fund in Nigeria, it makes things even more easier and faster. So it also brings about payment system efficiency. So there will not be necessarily be a network issue or such, although it might happen, but it makes it more efficient. So you got, and it also increase cross-border trade. As I told you earlier, you can now get access to buy things all across the world. So we call it cross-border trade. And similarly, there will be an improvement in monetary policy efficiency. All this thing I'm saying are what the CBN has provided and their experts are talking about. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's now go to this part. Is very important. Your view. What do you think? Do you think e-wallet worth it? Do you think what is happening in Nigeria warrant it to have an electronic wallet? So let me hear your view below. Just comment below. Tell me about your view about e-wallet. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, kindly click on the red button. If you're a new subscriber, kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for trusting me. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. For I create the video how you can make money online and everything that revolve about money, businesses, and opportunity. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm Danado Boy. I love you so much. Actually, I have a link below for you in which you can actually start having a YouTube channel just like this one. So I've explained everything you need in order to have a successful YouTube channel. So the link is below. Just click on the link and get the course. The course is just for 1,000 for the first 10 people. Immediately 10 people reach is going to increase to 5,000. So just be fast. Click on the link below. Get the course for 1,000 naira. I call it YouTube Masterclass. I've explained everything you need to know in order to get started with YouTube using just your smartphone. Ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.